Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off passcode in your iPhone. Go to the settings, scroll down and tap on Touch ID and Passcode. In this page you will see the option Turn Passcode On. Tap on this. From here you can set passcode. There are several passcode options. You can select how many digits you will use as your passcode. For this, tap on Passcode Options. A menu will pop up from the bottom. You can use custom alphanumeric code. You can use 4-digit numeric code. You can use custom numeric code. By using it, you can select as many digit password as you like. I am selecting 6-digit numeric code. A message will pop up. Tap on Use Anyway. Enter the passcode again. Now enter your Apple ID password. Then tap on Continue. That's it. You have successfully turned on passcode. If you want to turn off passcode, then tap on this option Turn Passcode Off. Enter your passcode and the passcode is turned off. So in this way you can turn on or turn off passcode in your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.